name's Tim Simcoe. I've invented the Hang and Nail hanger. It's a new invention that will help simplify the installation of cement poured siding. Specifically, one type would be HardiePlank. The most common methods nowadays accepted in the industry is what they call a chalk line. I've drawn a chalk line on the back here. You'll see it in a minute. What they normally do is they'll have two hangers. Two men would hold the siding up to the chalk line after they determine where they want their siding. They'll hold it in place, and either a third man, which would be the cut man, would nail it in place while they're securing it, or one of the two would attempt to nail it. The problems with this is you're holding up the cement board, it's heavy. If it moves at all on the chalk line, it's going to tip and you're going to lose your level siding. With the hang and nail, what this does, it's technically a lap gauge. The recommended overlap in the industry is 1.25 inches. So all your siding should be overlapped 1.25 inches. There's other methods. You could use a pitch gauge, but again, it takes two men to hold it in place. The hang and nail, you can hang it by yourself. There's other methods that you can use for cutting around windows, starter strips, first course. I'm going to explain them all to you and demonstrate them. The hang and nail, the principle is you first set it on your siding. On your starter course, we're going to do a little bit different, but there's two ears on the back here. It sets on the siding, you put a nail in the top, swing the swing gauge down, and it's in the clear to put your siding in. You secure your siding, pull the nail out, and just slip the hanger out. Normally you're going to use two of these. You can use more if you feel comfortable. You're doing it by yourself, so whatever you feel comfortable doing is up to you. I'm going to use 3 of these to put the starter strip up. The reason for it is the starter strip is a fragile piece of siding. You're going to cut your starter strip off of a full sheet of siding. In this case, I've cut mine 1 1/8 inches. I want my first course to overlap it by 1/8 of an inch. This will prevent water from running across underneath. It will create a drip edge. So I'm going to put 3 of these up, and I'm going to install a starter strip, and that will give me my basis to start hanging siding. So I'll demonstrate.